In this video, we'll show you how you can buy a home without needing a lot of money or even sometimes no money. Recent surveys show that 2/3 of people believe they can't afford a down payment, and that is what's costing them to buy a home because they think they need 50 or 20% down. This is likely why so many people believe they can never afford to buy a home because of how much they think they have to pull out of their pockets. But did you know that to buy a home, you can buy it with as little as 5%, 3.5%, or even 0% down? We're covering exactly how to do that in this video so you can begin investing for your wealth. My name is Aaron Kinn, and I've been a realtor here in the DFW area for over 20 years. And I'd love to talk to you about your options and how we can come up with a specific game plan for your buying situation. Buying a home is a big step, but saving up money for a down payment seems to be challenging for most people. Don't worry, there are ways to make it easier and more affordable. Join us as we explore 5 strategies to help you achieve the dream of home ownership. When you want to buy a home with little or no down payment, you can look into some different loan programs. Some loans, like FHA loans and VA loans, offer low or no down payment options. These loans are designed to help people who are buying a home for the first time or are veterans. FHA loans are commonly referred to first-time homebuyer loans. They require a minimum down payment of 3.5% of the home's price. For example, if you're buying an average home here in Tarrant County for $400,000, your down payment would be $14,000. That's a lot better than $80,000 if you think you needed to put 20% down. If you are a veteran or an active duty service member or an eligible surviving spouse, VA loans can be a great option. These loans require 0 money down. This means you can finance 100% of the home's price without needing to save for a down payment. While FHA and VA loans have low or no down payment options, there are other things to think about too. Both loan programs have certain requirements, such as credit score, how much debt you have compared to your income, and the condition of the property. FHA loans have a funding fee that can be financed into the loan, and you will have to pay private mortgage insurance for the life of the loan. This does increase your monthly payments, but not substantially enough to avoid buying a home. VA loans often have a one-time funding fee that can be added to the loan amount, but if you're receiving any disability as a veteran, you likely won't have to pay that funding fee at all. I can put you in touch with great lenders who can help with your specific situation, so just reach out. You also can get a conventional loan for as low as 5% down. And actually, there are even options where you can get a 3% down conventional loan, making them one of the cheapest loans to get, but you do have to have excellent credit. A conventional loan usually will have slightly better interest rates than an FHA loan, but you still will have to pay mortgage insurance. A lender can run the numbers for you and help figure out exactly what is the best situation for you. There are also some programs that help you with your down payment. These programs are typically in the form of a loan, but sometimes can be a grant to cover any down payment needed. They're commonly referred to as down payment assistance programs. They usually are provided by the state, local housing agencies, nonprofits, or even employers. But remember, these programs are typically second loans, so your monthly payment may be higher. Sometimes you can talk to the person selling the home and ask them to help you with your down payment. They might agree to lower the price of the home or give you credits towards your financing. The key to successful negotiation is communicating well and working with a real estate agent who knows a lot about this area and loan programs. And that would be me. Anyways, this will really depend on if the housing market is a buyer or a seller's market. If it is favoring buyers, you can probably get some help for the seller. Another option to get money is a gift from a family member to use towards your down payment. Many loan programs allow this as long as you follow some rules. Talk to your mortgage lender to understand the requirements for using gift money, like writing a letter to show it's a gift and not a loan and showing where the money actually came from. And if you know you are going to do this, get that money into your account sooner rather than later, as lenders and underwriters don't like seeing big deposits just before contract. This can be a good strategy if you don't have a lot of savings, but have family members who want to help you buy a home. Now you know 5 strategies to help you buy a home without needing a lot of money for a down payment. Even if you don't have much saved up, you can still own a home. If you're thinking of buying your first home, just give me a call so we can explore exactly what will work the best for you. Thanks for spending some time with me today, and I'd love to craft the perfect home buying plan just for you. Just reach out at any of the numbers here on the screen or any of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so, subscribe to the channel as we put out great content weekly that help buyers and sellers alike. If you hit the little bell icon, you'll get notified anytime we post new content. Thanks again for watching, and have a blessed day.